What's going on, everybody? Hope everybody's doing good. Hope everybody's staying safe. So this week we've got another unboxing. It's an unboxing of the high grade, the Origin, the RCX 7602 GunCannon first type Iron Cavalry Squadron. Wow, that's a name. Holy crap, is that a long name? I've never built an Origin kit, so this will be a first for me. GunCannon was... I think the GunCannon was my favorite kit. I like this one that it doesn't have both cannons on the shoulders. But, yeah, looks pretty cool to me. I got this kit at Torchlight Games and Hobbies. Be sure to check them out. I'll leave a link down below to their website, as well as they set up a discount code for 5% off any model kits. So I'll leave that discount code down below as well. So be sure to check them out and use the discount code. Save a little bit of money. But yeah, let's get right into the unboxing and hope you enjoy the video. So as always, we always look at the box art first. So this is, I really like this box art, how it shows that there's multiple of the gun cannons, the cannon firing. It just looks really freaking cool. So looks like it's an all gray kit, which, it could be good, could be bad. I know it'll be a bitch for me to take pictures of when I'm all said and done it. But yeah, like some action bases, I wonder if it comes with an action base. I wonder if it does. But yeah, that's all the box art. So it looks like not a lot of action poses on it, but yeah, it being an all gray kit, it might be a real pain in the butt to try and take pictures of, but I'll figure it out. Next, we'll look at what all is inside it and final thoughts. Alright, let's open her up. Oh, sweet. So it does come with a base, that is so awesome. Normally these kits, normally high grade kits don't come with bases. So the fact that this one does is so freaking cool. That looks like parts of the shield, feet. That might be part of the gun. Decals. Got your multitude polycaps. That looks like frame parts. Looks like for the legs or for arms. And not a lot of parts runners in this kit. So there's the gun, the main gun. I'm not sure, that's more feet parts. And that'll be thighs, backpack, chest. So yeah, there's not a lot of runners in this kit, which I shouldn't be surprised with it being a high grade, but yeah. Another shot of the what's on the box art. So, instruction manual's pretty standard. So that is for cannon. That's for a rocket cannon. Missile launcher that you can put inside of the cannon, in place of the cannon. Okay. So yeah, pretty basic kit. The hands are weird. They're not really hands. They're what are called manipulators. But yeah, so that's the long ass name kit. The High Grade Gundam The Origin RCX 7602 GunCannon First Type Iron Cavalry Squadron. Wow, that's a mouthful. Holy crap. Really caught my eye when I was looking through Torchlight Games and Hobbies website. Be sure to check them out, and be sure to use that discount code that I'll be leaving in the description. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, all that fun stuff, and we'll see you in the next video.